Hi there. In this video, you'll learn how to use the Reveal Ask feature, a simple, powerful way to ask questions about your data and get answers instantly. Reveal Ask lets you type natural language questions about your data. Things like, is there any evidence that delays were due to mismanagement by a subcontractor? Or, what role did Terry Smith play on the project? Reveal Ask quickly generates insights, summaries, and documents for you. To get started, click the magic wand in your search bar. Type your question in plain English. For example, what is Project Raptor? Reveal Ask instantly analyzes your data and returns a summary. Let's take a look at the results. The top part will contain an answer to your question along with citations to relevant documents within your dataset. You can open individual documents of interest by clicking the arrow point to the top right of the screen. You can open all of the documents cited by clicking the Open Cited Docs button. You can open other source documents identified as likely related to your question by clicking the Show button on the reference panel. You can evaluate how related the document is to your question as a percentage. Additionally, you can add the documents to a search for review by clicking the toggle to the right of the filter and clicking Add Source Docs to search. By clicking the More Details window within the question interface, you can give further instructions to the tool on how the summary is presented. These instructions need to be fewer than 200 words. Examples of potential outputs include: give the answer as a timeline, provide potential ESI search terms, or provide the answer in a bulleted list. A few tips to get the most out of Reveal Ask. Ask is not best used to identify all documents in a criteria, questions requiring metadata, or questions that are too large in scope like, what are the damages for a potential delay claim? Use metadata to limit the scope before you start your query. For example, if you're only interested in what certain people know or certain timelines, you should use metadata to filter your search set to just those documents. Be sure to verify any answers provided. And that's it! Reveal Ask makes exploring your data faster, easier, and more intuitive. Contact your consultant if you have any questions, and be sure to check out our other videos.